Alright guys, back with this video to cover day 2 of the 2-day Corvette track school. If you didn't already, go check out day 1. I'll put the thumbnail up here. So day 2, we kicked off by checking out the compound a little bit more. There were just race cars everywhere, so we're kind of just walking around. But the second day in the class was basically launch control testing, autocross competition, some in-class PDR review, and then a bunch of more track time with the instructors. They let you use launch control about 4 times, and then for the autocross, you got about 10 sessions, and it all leads up to a competition by the end of the class, which they time, and then you've got a winner for the class. For the track sessions, you're placed into one of 3 groups. I was in the blue group, so we were kind of pushing it, but they place you wherever you're most comfortable. So in the class, you kind of just let them know what your experience is, and then they'll place you into one of the groups. Anyway, we're gonna jump into the POV videos. So I'm gonna be showing a clip of the launch control I was talking about, one of the autocross laps, just so you can see what it looked like, and then a bunch of track POV videos from the GoPro, as well as the PDR. So I'll show my best lap time at the end of the video too.
Drop that throttle all the way down. There you go.
Stopped in that box. Okay, start recording if you want. You're good to go.
Way too wide on that exit. You need to get in higher to that blue turning cone before you start that steering in. 3rd gear and then 4th gear now. Alright, work the process here. Speed, firm brake. Technique, slow release. You gotta get up a little tighter to those curves, Steve. You can do this. Take a breath. 4th gear on the straightaway here. Right here at this blue turning cone, turn it in a little more. Follow me. Turn, turn, turn. You're getting close. You're within inches of that curve. I just want you to get a little tighter on it. Same thing here. See how I'm using all that curve? Get on it. Turn it more. There it is. Now you just gotta do that even as we're going fast, okay? I need you to be more patient with those blue turning cones. Alright, now this is the one I'm going to be particular. We're going to get on the curb this time. Turn, turn, turn. Bingo! Nice job. That's what I wanted from you. Good job. Middle lane. Don't go wide. You keep wanting to go too wide. You're going to have to dump a whole bunch of steering to make this happen. You don't have to go any farther than that middle lane. And then you turn it early right there. Be patient with this one.
As you can see in the videos, I was able to improve my lap time by about 4 seconds across the 2 days, which I think was huge. And, you know, throughout the 2 days, we did about 40 laps around the track. So definitely felt like a good amount. Overall, the instructors were amazing. I think the entire thing was one of the coolest experiences ever. And, you know, this was my second time going, so obviously I highly recommend it. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you have any questions about the whole track school at all, put them in the comments. I'll try to answer all you guys. As always, like, subscribe, always appreciate all of that. And I'll see you next time.